Today I'm going to the market to get foodstuffs and I'm going on a budget. This is all I have on me. I have a very long list. I'm going on my market runs, but first, skincare. I've applied my moisturizer, now I want to apply this glow serum. It's by Beauty by Jensen. Beauty. But it look pretty. The sun though, it's the morning sun. This is all I have on me. This is 30k. I hope I don't spend more than this. Although I have a very long list. Can you see? I have a very long list. Let's say I'm able to do these errands and do not do extra withdrawal or more purchases than on the list. Fingers crossed, inshallah. I do not intend to do more than this. I have a feeling that I might buy one or two things, but let's hope it doesn't go beyond that one or two things. But first, let's see what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this top, a jean. If you're familiar with my market runs video, then you know this sandal is making another entrance today. Recognition, please, if you like my sandal for market runs, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like. If you're wondering why I have this sandwich, it's just bags that we use to purchase things. I have some polythene nylon bags here. Let me guys hear that. Usually I would spend around 100. I think this costs 100 naira each. So I would spend around 300 naira to buy this. But because we are on a budget and we're sustaining our environment, I'm going to be reusing all these bags, and I intend to do that going forward instead of buying at every market that I go to. So we would usually reuse them. I hope this will fit in my bag. That's why I'm calling it a sandwich. I'm just going to find a way to. Let's go straight in and let's hope that we do not go beyond budget. Let's go, inshallah. I am not driving. I am going to take a public transport. Hopefully get an Uber on my way back, because I wouldn't be able to carry all those much stuff. But first, let's go get a tricycle. Marwa, okay, Kenapep, as we fondly call it here in Lagos. So, guys, let's go. Guys, I have not even started buying things. I have been seeing a number of things. I've not even started shopping, and I've been seeing a number of things that my eyes is saying, come on buy, come on buy. First thing oh my god. First thing first, I need to find somebody that can help me carry whatever it is I'm going to be buying. So I'm looking for some of those outside guys that would usually pay. Are you? There you go. Come now. Let me go inside. No go market. You know what carry? You know what carry? What's your name? Sans. Oh yeah, I mean we'll go now. So I found somebody, thankfully. Oh yeah, now. Salisu don't they run? Alright. My budget for bye. Each time I come here. I don't reach your place again. I want to buy ogbono. Last time you will see this. You can barely hear me. but this is my guy where I buy ogbono from, so I've been able to locate him. I always lose my way each time I come here. But the good thing is I've been able to find him, so I just want to get on budget today. So I want to buy ogbono. He says this one is 4,000 naira. This one is 4,000. Yeah, just tell me half of this one. I came on a strict budget today, but I'm coming next to do proper shopping. So yeah, my baby, I bought my ogbono. This is 2,000 naira. Talk now, now you they carry me go. Which one make we go first? Tomato or those watermelon place? Which one? Tomato? Watermelon? We go can't use that one, enter tomato. Always ensure you snatch your bag to yourself when you're in the market. Oh, yeah, they go, sorry. Okay, I want to buy pepper. Yeah, this is the. Where is that guy? Oh, you get why you no can't get beetroot? Now your place, I don't find your place since, so I don't waka up and down. I know say you go get beetroot. Oh my God, I need to look for some other places. I hope I find beetroot in the market today. This one 400. Wow, guys, did you see that? Look at these big peppers. 400. That's why I like coming here. Oh yeah, give me one red pepper and one yellow pepper.
This one last 600. This one last 100. That is last.
One. That's one, Abby. So I'm going to buy 2 of these. Give me a basket. Let me put them inside. I'm going to buy 2 of this one. No. Make a collect basket. I'm going to buy 2 of these ones. Let me try and select. This one, you say 400, Abby. 3. You have to. Hey, they are coming. Oh, yes. This one. This is 1,900. Malam, your money. Kudi. Yeah. Another thing that I'm buying that is not on the budget is carrot. Hey, Karama. For a pineapple. Hello, Lama. Meta 18. In my way out of this pineapple, so but she sold it for me for 17. Egg mama. Hey, around. To buy ginger. God, you have to constantly be careful on this because of those other prices. 500. So I have like a YouTube channel where I encourage people to eat healthy. So when I come to the market, like able to recognize. So she has almond and all the seeds I'm always looking for. Hopefully I'm going to come back here. Chia seed is not full though. Hey. Yeah, pack this one for me. Hello, avocado ma. Who get avocado? You kilo shell. Yeah, on me oh. Yes.
Only made 1,000.
Mommy wa. Àwọn ilé ò tí pọn rárá ṣá o. Àmì tí fẹ́ tó ti fẹ́ sáré pọn o.
Mo ní kókó ṣe pé ó máa sáré pọn bẹ́ẹ̀.
Okay, ó yẹ fún mi nìyẹn 1,000. I got him to buy my avocado and my steak. Hey, come out oh. These people. If you are not careful, they can hit you with these things. So you have to constantly, when you hear that sound, you gotta constantly. Guys, it's time to go and buy my tomatoes now. I've been able to take some things off. Okay, I bought ginger. This one, 3,000. Sell them for me 2,500 now. 1,000. This one, how much? 6,000. Sell this one for me 2,500. Give me 2,500. I don't want stress for market today. 1. Eh? I was able to negotiate. I go buy. One. I hope say big, reach down, clean, reach down. One of this one. Because this one it finishes quickly. No, pour inside now. I don't want nylon. Bring all those nylon where I carry come. I don't want carry nylon go my house. It's too much. Oh yeah, this one. Bring now nylon there inside. Make Malam use and you go use that one sell for another customer. No, nylon bag. Use this one. Aha, you feel use this one. I don't want carry your nylon. I don't carry. Use that for another customer. Nylon what it for you? We took the cost dustbin. I don't want too much nylon for my house again. I put this one 1,000 naira. No, pour inside. The one we find rich grand though. That's 3.5. Look for tomatoes. I am in the land of tomatoes. How much you say this one? 7,000. Dale. Yeah. They come. I'm recording. I'm looking for the best bargain when it comes to tomatoes and fresh ones. Say fine reach down. This one fine reach down. Yeah. You should have used my nylon. Let it give me. I don't want to carry nylon. Nylon to put YouTube video. Yes. Advertising song. Yes. Sell for me 2.5 now. Sell for me 2.5. Then some 2.5. Me o fẹ́ rojọ́ púpọ̀. Oh yeah. Show fine dey le o. Oh yeah. See what I'm buying for 2.5. How much I've spent now? Oh yeah, take. Now go there. Yes, I found it. This is where I used to buy. Baba, assalamu alaikum. See, now the Baba where they talk with. I don't find you. I say no be there. I say they come my Baba customer place. Eh? Now this one they buy 2.5. Now this size they sell for me 2.5. Hey. This is the place where I would spend most of it. How much is this one? This size?
Selling 6,000 naira. How much you go sell for this?
How much will this one last? This bucket?
Yes, yeah. 2.5 this one. This one more 5.
Cause me I don't tire. This one where you say this one where you say this one no gree this thing. I don't know what you want to do. My mom don't they pay me. That basket for outside.
How much go for basket?
Now because you're, I think I would have to go with two of this is fine. I take Malam. You not go give me money for bottled water. Give me money for bottled water and a few things. No, I'm not done. I just want to buy plantain and banana on my way out. A small one. Guys, it's messy. I need to find my way out of it. Oh my God! Look at this bill. I need to go and carry my stuff. I know who they go. They don't pour water for my body. No worry. Next time I will come your place. Inshallah. Yeah, give me this one. No, where's that one? No. Share everything about 500. Because this one. Give me this one. Guys, my goal was not to withdraw any money, but I've gone on my plan. I'm sorry. But the withdrawal is not to buy anything because I still have cash in my purse, but I would need cash for later. So that's why I'm making this withdrawal. But let's do the final. Okay. Let's get home and do the calculations. Let's see if I didn't spend more than 30,000 naira that I budgeted for. We'll see when I get home. I'm still in the market, as you can see, right? 500 ni jale mama.
500 ni jale para 31.
Fẹ́ ìtòkì ni. Ìtòkì ìtòkì délẹ̀. Okay, this is 500 naira. I'm going now. How much be all the market we are buy? When you want me to give you 3,000? Okay, this air talk now. How much we collect? I don't open what's it for you. Oh yeah, give me my 200 naira. Sonny don't dey smile because you don't collect extra one. Okay, bye bye. Oh yeah, say bye bye now. You want me tie? Hey, Sonny don't say bye bye you. Thank you. Salisu, I don't dey call you Sonny since morning. You know tell me say no be Sonny. Salisu. Okay. Thank you. You don't go tie this one for me. I'm on the road. I was waiting for my boat, taking too long. One cancelled on me, but I've been able to cross to the other side of the road to see if I can get a tricycle, na pep, like the one I came in with in the morning. But I feel like I'm going to get a copyright to this one. But I'll probably do a voiceover over it when I get it. But I will just listen to this so I can remember what exactly I want to. So I'm waiting for somebody that wants to come and pick me. He said he's going with a car, so fingers crossed. I don't know. I'm still waiting for him to come outside to go and bring the car and come outside so that we can carry the boat. But I don't know. I can't find it. Somewhere around. Somebody's name. I'm really exhausted right now, but inshallah, I hope that when I get home, I'll be able to rest. It's quite windy.